Welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to be assembling the M113 Armored Personnel Carrier. And there's actually no clipping away needed for this kit. It's just gluing. So let's get to gluing. So this piece goes like this, and then it goes like that, as you can see. Simple. So just get some glue there. And then I'm putting some glue on the edges there. There we go. Now, take this, put it like that. There you go. Now let's do the back. So just simply put a little glue there, maybe some glue there, and some glue there. I guess putting glue on that back was stupid. Alright, now you can even use the table as help to guide that in. So you can see how that went on pretty well. Now you can see this is the way it should go. If you were to put it this way, it would just look bad, so this is the way it should go. So go ahead and put just a line of glue like that. Well, you can see how that went. Now, let's just put a line of glue like this. And then test. Alright, so there it is, the M113 Armored Personnel Carrier. You can go ahead and order this from miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.